Hey Wildcats, this game is called Soccer Gates. To play, you're going to need 2 water bottles, any kind of item that you can use to mark your spot where you're going to kick from. And then if you're playing outside, you'll need a soccer ball. If you're playing inside, you can use a sock ball, and we'll show you how that will look in a little bit. When you play Soccer Gates, the first thing you're going to do is set up a goal. So you can make it whatever size you want, but the bigger you make the goal, the longer it's going to take to finish, because eventually you have to close your gate to win. So Marcus made his gate. Now he's going to set up a spot to kick from. Every time Marcus scores a goal inside his goal, he's going to make the gate smaller. So he made a goal. He's going to go get his ball. He's going to go to one of the water bottles and move it in 1 foot length in. And then he hurries back and he takes another shot. If he scores again, he's going to go and he's going to move one of the water bottles in again. So look, he puts his heel next to it, moves the water bottle up 1 length, and the goal is getting smaller and smaller. To win the game, you have to score enough goals to completely close the gate. That'll mean the 2 water bottles are touching or right next to each other. And then to finish, you have to knock over both water bottles with 1 kick. Now you notice the goal is getting smaller and smaller, which makes it a little bit harder to score. To finish, you can play for 1 minute to see if you can close the gate all the way in 1 minute, or you can just count how many kicks it takes to close the gate. The goal is getting smaller. Marcus missed that time, so he doesn't get to close the gate anymore. He just goes back and takes another kick. Let's see if he can get it in this time. Okay, another goal. So now it's 1 more closer. If you get to the point where the bottles are so close that you can't fit your foot inside, you can just put them together because you can't move them any closer. And then now Marcus just needs to knock over both water bottles with 1 kick and he's done. All right, nice job. So that would be it. You can time yourself for 1 minute to see how long it takes, or if you can finish in a minute, or just count how many kicks it takes to finish. So that's how you play Soccer Gates. If you want to play inside, you can. You can use the same 2 water bottles to make a goal inside, but of course you wouldn't want to use a soccer ball. You can roll up a pair of socks and use your sock ball instead. And then you play by the same rules, where every time you score a goal, the goal gets a little bit smaller until you can't fit a foot in between. At that point, put the water bottles together, and then if you can knock them down with 1 kick, then you're done. Hope you guys have fun.